Donating all the typewriters and for all the time that you've spent with us in the past few months.
Oh, I'm glad to do it.
Yeah, we had.
I have more fun.
Yeah, we had Tim type it up, and Shannon and I signed it, and then Lisa Malcolm, who's our university librarian, signed
Isn't
it.
that nice?
So we wanted to give that to you, just as we're so grateful to you.
Nice. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I've had a great time. I'm still having fun. You know?
Good.
I'm still having a good time. You can't slow
We
me
are
down,
too.
so.
We are too. Cool to get to.
It's gotta come on.
It's kind of nice. I like the mint green. That's how it's